Mushrooms, insects, shellfish, and lobsters. They look so randomly unrelated to each other. But if you look at a substance discovered centuries before, you will find that they are all linked by one unique substance, chitin, existing in all above-cited creatures. The name chitin came from the Greek word meaning envelope because it was obtained from the exoskeletons of crustaceans, a species including the delicious seafood with hard shells, such as crabs, lobsters, and shrimp. Chitosan is actually a substance taken from chitin through a process to remove its acetylic groupings. Before chitosan gained its fame in the world of food supplement, it has been widely utilized at water purification plants for detoxifying water. It gets spread evenly over the surface of the water, where it absorbs grease, oils, dangerous heavy metals, and other potential toxins. If chitosan is capable of binding the toxins in the environment, does it do the same work in the human body? Actually, among other polysaccharides, chitosan possesses a positive ionic charge, contributing to a series of remarkable results. The ability to attract digested fat, cholesterol, heavy metal, and toxic substances, which are negatively charged, into a large mass. The whole mass will then be eliminated and prevented from being absorbed into the bloodstream. Green World Chitosan Capsule was designed as a colon cleanser, a fat magnet, a blood glucose regulator, an ulcer healer, and a cancer fighter. 1. A colon cleanser. With deepening of industrialization and pollution, the human colon becomes a terminal assembly site for all toxins entering our food chain. Most of these toxins are negatively charged, which by nature are easily attracted by the positively charged chitosan. Once bound with chitosan, they can be excreted from our bowel without sticking onto the colon wall for long. This is what we know as shortened colon transit time, which in turn reduces the risk of colon cancer. 2. A fat magnet. Chitosan is positively charged. Since lipids, fats, and bile acids all possess negative charges, there is a chemical bond between the two, and thus they attract naturally to one another. As a special fiber which is able to soak up or absorb fat anywhere from 6 to 10 times its own weight. Thus, there will be less fat absorbed into our bloodstream. With Green World Chitosan Capsule, slimming process becomes a lot easier. Taken 30 to 45 minutes before meal, it bonds to some of the fat content in consumed food. It does not work by making you feel less hungry, whereas it acts by actually helping fat pass through your digestive tract, with less chance being stored in the fat cells. This distinguishes itself from other weight-losing products that restrain appetite or lead to diarrhea. 3. A blood glucose regulator. Diabetes may not kill, yet its complications kill. Though glucose levels may be well controlled, arteriosclerosis can develop because high fatty acid levels in plasma increase free radical levels, which are a cause of endothelial cell damage. Damage to the endothelial cells of the artery walls is considered a prelude to arteriosclerosis. Green World Chitosan Capsule can increase glucose tolerance and insulin secretion. 4. An ulcer healer. 200 years ago, chitosan has been widely used as a topical dressing in wound management, owing to its hemostatic, healing stimulative, antimicrobial, non-toxic, biocompatible, and biodegradable properties. Nowadays, food supplement grade of chitosan has been developed as a gastric cytoprotective and ulcer healing promotion agent. Taken orally, Chitosan may increase the mucus development in human stomach and accelerate the healing process of gastric ulcer. 5. A cancer fighter. Despite considerable progress in medical research, cancer is still one of the high-ranking causes of death in the world. It is the second most common cause of death due to disease after heart disease, and according to World Health Organization, it will be the cause of death of more than 10 million people in 2020. Green World Chitosan Capsule can inhibit the cancer cell proliferation, reduce the percentage of mutative cells, and decrease the rate of DNA synthesis in the cells. Chitosan can also inhibit the enzyme associated with metastasis, which demonstrates the malignancy of the cancer cells. Whether you are planning for a weight loss program, a detox process, or an immune-enhancing project, Green World Chitosan Capsule is your right choice. Make sure you drink adequate amount of water when taking this product. If you have allergy to shellfish, be cautious. Start enjoying the safest and the healthiest way of weight loss. What you cast off is not only a few pounds of fat, but also toxins and even cancerous cells.